Hi, good morning. We have Christine and Tay for the vlog. Great to meet you. I'm Jasper.
Hi, Christine.
Christine and sorry, what shall I call you?
Tay is
Tay
okay.
is wonderful. This is Dudes, aka Raylan, our driver, our expert driver. All right over here. Okay.
I'm not sure if I need to lock it.
There you go. I think you got it. Perfect. All right. Haha. Shall we?
Okay, thank you.
Hurrah. You guys look very prepared, huh? Alrighty. All good? Hoorah! Starting the hike now. Time is now. Oops. Here around 7:30 or so. Alright. Copy. Oh, you guys have Strava? Strava, or it did not happen. Okay, so far so good. You guys are very fast.
All the way?
Yeah, pretty much. But there'll be some flat spots. Right, one last push for Christine and Tay. Nothing to it. Super easy. A little too easy. Oh, careful. Nicely done. Excellent balance. All right, we'll set up right over here.
Okay.
I'm gonna try and take a video of the lightning.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool. Sunrise and stuff. My GoPro. Can you hold? I'll wait till you pop it up. GoPro can last for long. Yeah, I didn't charge it.
Oh. Got someone following us. Someone's heading up the trail. Can see his light?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. This is my favorite part, like people passing by getting jealous of the setup. Time is now 5:50 and it has started drizzling. And hello, good morning. Good morning. Gandang timing natin ah.
Uy, Jasper.
Good morning. Oh, sino to?
Sup?
Sino to?
Birds.
Oh, first. Great to see you, man.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Kakakit niyo lang.
Yeah. Well, naka-chill na ng konti. Perfect timing. Sana, we should have been here earlier, like with the lightning. Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Buti nga kayo kaganyan nakakit.
Good morning. Oh, hello.
Hi, bro.
Great to see you.
Morning.
Good morning.
Wow.
May dumadamot sa sunrise kayo.
Yeah. Generous naman yung lightning strike.
Yeah.
Sabagay.
Hurrah. Large group. Yakang yaka.
Yes,
See ya. Ingat-ingat. Hello, good morning po. It's now using the ponchos. Very difficult to set up a tarp shelter here, or any shelter for that matter right now. Gorgeous sunrise right now. I'll fix it in post.
Did you get the lightning?
Not yet. No, I don't think I have the battery left to like wait for it.
Yeah.
It's okay. We'll edit that in. Okay. We'll start moving in a few minutes when it gets a little brighter. Nice. Thank you so much, Ferds, for the bananas. All right. Would you guys like, may I interest you in some bananas?
Oh wow. Thank you.
Such a,
Oh wow.
we've got so much food up there apparently.
Wow. Oh, they plucked it from.
No, no.
Oh, I...
And they brought it with them. Hoorah.
Ah.
Seems no such luck with the sunrise. So we're heading to the other points of view to get better shots. All right, I'm glad these guys are super prepared. Forward, yeah. Okay, sorry.
Oh, okay.
I was trying to be like cinematic.
Oh, so you might as well like just go off. Okay.
Now we're at the campsite and heading to the eastern point where the other guys are.
Okay.
Hoorah. All right, nice, great technique.
Yup. Sidestep is a necessity.
Excellent balance. Hoorah.
Oh, I'm just sliding.
Excellent.
Did the rain already stop? Or is it just me?
All right,
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
shall we?
Okay. Ah,
All right.
what? Whoa, quite fast.
All right.
Okay.
Wonderful. Got clouds by the ridge. Amazing. Just rising up from the forest.
Quite nice up here.
All right. Grabe, team ladder zabal.
Wow.
Nakagrouping na kayo?
Ha?
Ako na yung tripod nyo. Mamaya. That's a group photo. We are now here at the eastern point of Mount Magarwak with a gorgeous view.
Totally see the view.
Situation.
Agree, very different.
Taga Manila sila.
Nah, they're from Singapore and Taiwan.
Hello, welcome.
This is Ferds, one of my hiking friends.
Taga Manila.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Pero work based sa Singapore.
Singapore, yes.
Ayan, welcome to Palawan.
Thank you.
Great.
Ikaw pa yung takot kay Princess eh.
Natulisyon ba to? 2 years din ako bago nakabalik dito.
Ah, grabe, bro.
Oo, wala. Ganun talaga. Asawa ka na.
Yeah. Ang tapang ah.
Ito pa lang yung unang activity. O mayroon pa kayo mga nakaline up.
Nah, that's pretty much it. Yeah.
Pwede pa nilang dagdagan.
Yeah, definitely.
Kaso lang talaga nagkataon yung bagyo.
Yeah, definitely.
Parang nasa ibang bundok.
Wala naman, just the usual, sheer line.
Sa bagay, oo.
Yeah. No love.
Baka
No.
gusto yung photos here. Pero pag talaga.
It's okay.
Jump shot.
Oo.
I don't need to jump, I can take a shot.
Yeah, we can take photos. We'll just insert, change the background later.
This is all my family.
Oh, grabe, amazing man.
My brothers and sisters.
Ah, great.
Okay. Which background?
Over here. Over here, we're supposed to see like the tallest mountain in Puerto, Cleopatra's Needle, and also a panoramic view of Honda Bay with the sunrise right over there.
Nice.
I'll send you guys a video or a picture or something. All right. But for the receipts. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Another one. 1, 2, 3. Great. Thank you.
With your,
Oh, it's okay, man. Thank you.
birthday gift.
Yes, and then a few more this week.
Sa mga miners lang natin. Nakakabalik ka ng balik.
Great so far. Now heading to the northern point of Mount Magarwak.
Yay.
Yay!
Okay. I'm doing well. I'm doing well.
Yes, you are.
It's a struggle.
Nice. Leg day for the week. All right, excellent. Now heading to the other side. No steep parts. Yeah.
Awesome.
And our brave heroes head forth into the dark forest, unaware of the dangers that lurk ahead. Hopefully. Earlier, I think we saw a nightjar, or I saw a nightjar. Yeah. Like big, bright, glowing eyes. Sometimes some pangolins.
Yeah, but there's no way to go over here. You have to go under.
All right.
Oh.
Nice, smooth, like a pro. Still heading to the northern summit, but over here along the trail, somebody left a piece of candy, and I am seriously debating whether to eat it or not.
Which one?
This one.
Oh. Is that like a candy?
Now we are here at the northern summit. Gorgeous views, yet again. Almost there.
Wow.
Just past the sexy section.
Wow.
All right, nice, you fit.
Wow. Nice. Wow.
Excellent. just over here. All right.
Okay.
It's my first time bringing guests up here in with this kind of conditions. Sorry about that.
Sorry.
Very lucky. Nice. Let's take a few moments to chill and then enjoy the great view.
Yes.
I didn't even bother changing my spiel. Nice. We can. Can we?
Go there.
Yeah, we're going there.
Okay, okay.
You've been to Sabang.
Sabang. No, we're supposed to go there yesterday.
wow.
Okay, yeah, we can see all the way to. You see that one with a dome? The one, the mountain with the dome shape over there?
The mountain with the dome shape over
Yes. It's very round, straight ahead, like 12 o'clock.
there. Okay.
Yeah, that's Mount St. Paul.
Mount St. Paul. Okay.
Yes. As underneath that is the underground river.
Ah. That's where we're supposed to go yesterday.
Yeah. And that other one over there, it's not, you can't really see the pointy part over there, but that's Cleopatra's Needle, the highest in Puerto.
Oh, so you've been there.
Yes. Group photo for you guys. I mean, right over here. All right, I'm gonna get in position. Hoorah!
This side? Okay, here.
All right, ready. 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
See, it's not that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's not the highest peak.
Nah, not quite, but that's the highest in the area. However, right over there is the highest.
That
Yeah,
part,
just covered
okay.
with a cloud up top.
Oh,
Nice.
fog cleared over there. Not there anymore.
See? When things don't go right in life, all you have to do is complain.
That is very true.
Hey, nice eh.
That's it. Would have cleared up sooner if you were like, Jasper, I need to speak to your manager.
Who's the manager here?
Who's the manager here? Where's?
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, there we stayed a little bit longer.
Nice.
Yeah.
You never know what's gonna show up. Nice. You can almost see the Honda Bay over here. A good spot for island hopping. This entire thing.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
And then Bakungan River. The snakes beautifully across the mountain right there.
Oh, which one? Like all?
Yeah, this one, this entire thing.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Interesting thing about that is it traverses the entire width of Palawan. It ends up over here, over the other side as well,
Wow.
on the west coast.
Cool, man.
The mountain range.
Is it nicer to take the upside down?
Oh yeah, I've seen that tip as well.
It's my first time trying it. I learned it from all the art directors.
Oh, okay.
The Filipino art directors.
You're
Or
so
not.
pro. Oh my god, I'll just take your photos. Thank
See, we have sunrise.
Wow.
Currently at the world's highest mountain, Mount Magarwak. As you can see.
Oh, Jenny, the sunrise again. Yeah.
Hope they waited. Now there's a gorgeous view of Honda Bay.
Oh, I can take another video.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's
nice.
the same
It's
video.
cleared up for us, especially for us. Over there is the perfect area to go sunset hiking.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Shall
Thank you so much for the clearing. Now heading back via the safe route
Yes.
over here.
Oh,
And
Safe.
I'm heading over to the show off route because I'm so arrogant. I forgot to take a profile pic, but probably later on the other sections. So far enjoying the view. Heading back to the tower. And the islands of Honda Bay. All right, safely back here at the start of the eastern point, northern point. Shall we take a picture over here?
Okay, just keep smiling, okay? I'll just take a lot.
Yeah, follow the director.
Yeah.
Excellent, beautiful, beautiful.
Do I need to take one like that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Smile. You want to look out?
Okay.
Why not?
Like this.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right.
Again?
How about looking down?
You want?
Okay. I think this is okay.
Yes, looks good.
Yeah.
Keep going, keep going. Okay.
All right, good. Jump shot.
Oh.
Okay, let's go jump.
All right. Excellent. You're good.
Yay.
Yay. All right. Have you guys seen a pitcher plant before?
No.
Oh, okay, let's go for it. Victory Bell.
Oh, right.
Like Pokemon?
In like shops.
They're pretty healthy since it's kind of raining lately. Usually they're all dried out. You can put them right next to your face for size comparison.
Oh, okay. I'll do that.
Oh, the picture plant.
Yes, the pitcher plant.
Yeah.
Pitcher plant for picture plant.
Like that?
Yes, excellent. Wonderful.
Careful, it might eat you.
Ooh, so cool.
That's Nepenthes palawanensis.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nepenthes palaguinensis.
Yes, all pitcher plants are Nepenthes. And then the specific species is palawanensis.
Palawinensis.
Yeah,
So
also-
it's endemic.
Yes, to
Here.
Palawan, yes.
Okay.
There's also Philippinensis. The biggest one here is Nepenthes attenboroughi, after David Attenborough, you know.
Oh,
So as big as my head, like
Oh,
1.5 liter. It's more like a shot glass.
True.
Right, heading down now.
Yeah. In Crocs.
That's what the locals usually do.
Yeah.
Hike in Crocs.
In slippers
Yeah.
and flip-flops. But the real ones, they hike barefoot.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we saw some.
Yeah. And then if it gets muddy, their foot is slipping, their big toe activates like that.
Actually, we saw like the market. The vlogger still looks quite glamorous at the top.
Oh, they brought their makeup kits. Or I don't know.
That's the correct thing to do. You forget the first aid kit. The important thing is the makeup kit.
Yeah. And probably props
Yes.
for their photo shoot.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
instead of
Right. And we are back to civilization. Now at the downhill portion of the hike, where
Now
the
we just need to
our
ride down.
favorite part. Now the gloves will be handy.
Okay.
Ah, wonderful. Nice, you learn quick, huh?
yay.
Okay. Picture.
Wow.
Nice. You can see the islands of Honda Bay over here.
So that's where you do the island hopping.
Yes, we start from over there where it's like crowded right there.
Yep.
The wharf.
Oh
And you can see Puerto Princesa Bay, the one with the island in the middle.
Yes.
Yes. You can see summer days right over there.
Can you see the watermelon?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm looking for actually. That's how I spotted it.
So clear.
You can already see them preparing your cappuccino, your breakfast. And the salt mines, the salt fields.
Yeah, salt fields. But it's a small salt field.
Yes, we're trying to watch our sodium.
Yeah.
Go slow.
Go fast.
Slow in Singaporean.
慢慢来.
Oh, there you go. I nailed it. Man Man Lai. Wu Harley. Excellent technique. The real key to the downhill sections is buying branded shoes with brightly colored. Yeah.
Oh, so it must be brightly colored.
It has to be brightly colored, like obnoxious.
Oh,
Doing great. Oh, after you. Thank you. Let's go.
Thank you.
Bye bye. You're doing great. Some of the other people try to go faster than me. That's when things go wrong.
Wow.
But this kind of pace is like ideal because it's easier on your knees,
Oh, okay.
or rather quads.
So
Thank
it's
you.
better to go a bit fast.
Glide down.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, we can see the cross.
It sounds elegant. Glided
Exactly.
down.
You fall in style. Excellent.
we're here.
We're here. Nice.
Yay.
Easy crew
Awesome.
now. Smooth sailing on the way down.
Okay. Casino, right?
Yes.
Yes.
It's Filipino bacon.
I
Sweet.
don't know. I
bacon.
haven't tried tocino.
Yeah.
Oh,
But I got the longanisa.
tocino is better, I think, unless you're in a group.
Oh.
Yes, because if you're in a group, it's uneven. Eh.
Yeah.
It's unfair. I always get the smallest section. So longanisa for large groups.
Can we ask for a bonus tocino?
Yes. Always ask for a bonus tocino.
Because it's our last day.
I like the logic. Can't argue with that, R.
We need the glass of wine
Uh,
or keep it to the end.
I would recommend keeping it to the end, but if it's like too hot or uncomfortable for you. Oh, there you go. I think somebody got lost. Yeah, I can hear them from underneath. Can- It's not too bad.
Wow, so nice. I didn't know you're supposed to be faster down trail.
Way down. We should make this into a slide.
Yeah.
And we're back to the car now.
Yeah.
In record time, a new world record.
The longest descent.
All right. Wonderful. Nice. Wait, check. 1, 2. Okay, so we're complete. All right. No casualties so far. All right. Heading back home na to summer days.
You can check.
Yes, and we're back at summer days. Haha, wonderful. Did we forget anything? Must not forget anything. Check. All good.
Be all good.
Nice. Thank you so much. It's been isang napakalaking karangalan. Salamat.
Isang malaking karangalan.
Isang napakalaking karangalan. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Absolute pleasure. Take care.
Thank you.
Good.
Bye-bye.